Your viewers, your subscribers, big up on yourself, innit? You don't know it's New Link production, people. And people, you don't know, say, New Link have to talk about this, and it's just a sad news. And first and foremost, I gotta say, my condolences to the family of Janice Bud. You understand? That has passed away. And don't know that she was a top journalist working at TVJ and CVM. You understand? And she has passed away, people, and you don't know, it's very sad, you know. In her late 40s, she's gone, you know, just because of this sickness called cancer. And, you know, we lost Ian Boyne the other day, and we lost so many top Jamaicans, you understand. And just for the new year, you understand, we have lost Janice Bud, and it's really sad. And I just got to say again, my condolences to the family, you understand. She was such a very talented journalist, you understand, because she worked at TVJ, then she goes CVM, she was working at the Gleaner, she was working at the Jamaica Observer, you understand. So you don't know that she was really a top flight in the journalism field. And she was also working at Jamaica Information Service, which was owned by Ian Boyne, who passed away about a week ago. So New Link Production want to say my deepest and sincere condolences again to the family. You understand, people? Because I tell you, cancer is a really deadly thing, and we see it taking away so much wonderful people away. So much life has been lost. You understand? We see doctors, we see lawyer, we see teacher, we see so many people have been lost by this sickness called cancer, people. And you understand? She is from Duncan's, that's in Trelawney, but she was currently living in Kingston. You understand? Kingston, Jamaica, because you know that's where most of the big offices like TVJ, CVM, and she's in the journalism field, so she will be living in that part. You understand? And she did love to travel, you understand? She traveled so much country around the world. Greece, you understand? Some big place like Dubai, because traveling was part of her passion and thing, and you know. But it's just life, and it's just sad, you know. And you know, if you're part of the field who love to watch like programs on TV, like news at sunrise and those things earlier, you will see her, you understand. But she was, the last place she worked was a public communication officer of the shipping company of Jamaica, and that's where she was last working until she passed away. Because you know she was battling with cancer for a long time, but she finally has gone. So, viewers, subscriber, this is New Link Production. I just want to say, keep on let the new year go with the new flight. And I just want to say, big up on yourself, viewers and subscriber.